Hi mga ka-Faith! So gusto mo bang maging virtual assistant pero hindi mo alam paano gumawa ng resume? So ito yung simple guide para sa'yo. Kasi before, kahit ako, nahihirapan ako paano gumawa ng resume kasi wala akong experience as a virtual assistant. Pero ang ginawa ko is simple and clear. So first step is ilagay mo lang yung mga basic information mo. Like your name, your email, and your contact number. Next is yung skills mo. I-highlight mo yung mga kaya mong gawin, like communication skills, email management, social media, and even the basic computer skills. Pangatlo is yung experience mo and sample of works. Even kung wala kang formal work or experience, pwede mong ilagay yung school works, school projects, personal task, or sample outputs. Pang-apat is tools na alam mo at kaya mong gawin. So, dyan papasok yung mga Google Docs, Excel, Canva, CapCut, Microsoft Office, at iba pa. So, tip lang ha, keep it simple. One page lang at dapat kaya siyang basahin or readable siya. Hindi mo kailangan ng perfect resume. Ang kailangan mo lang is mag-start gumawa ng resume. And, syempre, mag-apply. So, follow nyo ako for more VA tips. Yun lang mga ka-Faith. Okay na? Bye-bye!